Oh hi, this is a solar eclipse, and in this video we're going to learn what they are, how they're different from lunar eclipses, and a fun activity you can do at home on a sunny day to learn all about them. Let's get started. Eclipses are fascinating astronomical events that happen when one celestial body moves into the shadow of another. There are two main types of eclipses, solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes in between the sun and the earth, blocking out the light from the sun. The moon casts a shadow on the earth, temporarily darkening a certain area. However, a lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between the moon and the sun. This causes the Earth's shadow to fall on the moon. Lunar eclipses are easier to observe than solar eclipses because you can see a lunar eclipse if you're on any part of the night side of the Earth. Eclipses are not only awe-inspiring to watch, but they provide scientists with valuable information about how the celestial bodies in our solar system move. By studying eclipses, astronomers can learn a lot more about the positions of the moon, the earth, and the sun in our solar system. Today, we're going to be the scientists as we build a model to scale of the earth and the moon, and we can simulate solar and lunar eclipses. All right, so here's what we're going to need. We're going to need a meter stick, some modeling clay, some adhesive tape, and some paper clips. We're going to start with the modeling clay. We're going to make an earth and a moon. They're going to be the scale. So what we're going to do, choose whatever colors you want. So for the earth, we're going to need to make a ball that has a diameter of about 2.5 centimeters. So you can make a ball, then you can check its diameter. If it's not big enough, you can add more clay to it. You can use different colors if you like. Maybe blue and green for the earth. And then once you have a diameter of about 2.5 centimeters, we have our earth. Next, the moon. So we're going to need another ball. Use any color you like. This one's going to be a lot smaller. It's going to have to be a diameter of 0.7 centimeters. It's going to be very, very small. If it ends up being too big, just take some off and make it smaller. Keep doing that until you can get it to be about 0.7 centimeters. All right, now that we have our Earth and our Moon, we're going to place them in the right location on our meter stick. So let's place the first paper clip at about 10 centimeters, at the 10 centimeter marking. Doesn't have to be there. You can place it at 5 or at 15. Somewhere at one end of the meter stick. Use your tape to hold it in place, and then we're going to stick our earth there. So now we've got the earth. Next, we're going to need to place the moon 75 centimeters away. So since we placed this at 10 centimeters, the moon we're going to place at 85 centimeters. So take your other paper clip, and put it at 85 centimeters. Then we stick our moon. There we go, a scale model of the moon and the earth. Now let's go outside and simulate our eclipses. Once you have your scale model built, you can come outside on a nice sunny day without looking at the sun, and you can place the sun, earth, moon to try and view a lunar eclipse, or the sun, moon, earth to try and view a solar eclipse. Now it can take some time to try and get the shadows lined up. So here's two of my hints. One, don't have your hands get in the way. And two, look at the shadows on the ground and try to line them up. So there is our solar eclipse. And when you get it, ask yourself, who on Earth can actually view that solar eclipse? Do the same thing for a lunar eclipse. And when you get that, ask yourself, who on Earth can view a lunar eclipse?